because he didn't see me as a woman leader. He just saw me as a leader. I was interviewed for a podcast. It was a young man. He asked to interview me. He's probably just graduated college, and the whole interview was great. And I just found it very interesting when he interviewed me. He didn't ask one single question about me being a woman in HVAC. He was more about what's my company? How do I drive business? How am I as a leader? And I found it interesting because usually when people interview me, they're like, oh, how is it to be a woman in HVAC? And he didn't ask that question. And it made me feel great.